Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a letter that's full of yes and yippee. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter Y. Y is the 25th letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many yummy and yellow words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet Y. Yellow is a bright and cheerful color that you can see all around you. It looks like the sunshine on a sunny day, the golden color of a banana, or the petals of a daffodil flower. Yellow is a warm color that makes us feel happy and energetic. It is often used in traffic lights and signs to catch our attention. When you see yellow, it can make you think of fun things like lemonade or school buses. It's a color that stands out and brings a lot of joy wherever it is. A yak is a big, furry animal that lives in the mountains. It has long, shaggy hair and a big pair of horns on its head. Yaks are strong and can carry heavy loads, which helps people who live in high, snowy places. They eat grass and plants and are very good at staying warm in cold weather. Yaks are gentle and can be seen in places like Tibet and the Himalayas. They are important to the people who live there because they help with work and provide milk and meat. Yaks are very special animals. A yacht is a special kind of boat that is used for sailing on the water. It has big sails and a smooth, shiny hull. Yachts can be very fast and are often used for fun trips on the sea. Inside, there are comfy places to sit and sometimes even small rooms to sleep in. People use yachts for relaxing, enjoying the ocean, or going on adventures. They can be big or small, but they all have sails and can float on the water. Yachts are perfect for a day out on the waves. The yolk is the yellow part inside an egg. When you crack an egg, you'll see the yolk surrounded by clear liquid called egg white. The yolk is important because it provides nutrients and energy to the baby chick while it's growing inside the egg. It's also what makes the egg yellow. People use yolks in cooking to make things like cakes and cookies. When you cook an egg, the yolk can be soft and runny or hard and firm, depending on how you like it. So, the yolk is a special part of an egg that helps make yummy food. A yam is a type of vegetable that grows underground. It looks like a big, brown or reddish-brown stick with rough skin. When you cut it open, you'll find orange or white flesh inside. Yams are sweet and tasty and can be cooked in many ways, like baking, boiling, or frying. They are different from sweet potatoes, even though they sometimes look similar. Yams are full of vitamins and good for you. You can enjoy them as a side dish or in soups and stews. So, yams are a yummy and healthy veggie you might like to try. Yarn is a long, thin thread made from materials like wool or cotton. It comes in many colors and is often used for knitting or crocheting. When you use yarn, you can make clothes, blankets, and other fun crafts. Yarn is soft and stretchy, which makes it great for creating cozy items. You can find it in stores, usually in big, colorful balls. Yarn is perfect for making gifts or decorating your room. It's like magic thread that turns into something warm and wonderful with just a little creativity. A yearbook is a special book that schools create at the end of each year. It is like a memory book where you can see pictures of your classmates, teachers, and fun events from the year. There are often sections for each class, so you can look back and remember who was in your class. You can also find messages and signatures from friends, making it a keepsake for years to come. A yearbook helps you remember all the great times and people you met during the school year. It's like a treasure chest of school memories. Yogurt is a tasty and healthy snack made from milk. It's a creamy and smooth food that comes in many flavors, like strawberry, vanilla, or plain. To make yogurt, milk is mixed with special bacteria that turn it into yogurt over time. Yogurt is good for you because it has lots of calcium, which helps build strong bones and teeth, and protein, which helps you grow. You can eat yogurt on its own, add fruit to it, or use it in smoothies. It's a fun and yummy way to enjoy a nutritious treat. A yo-yo is a fun toy that goes up and down on a string. It looks like two round discs connected by a small axle in the middle. To play with a yo-yo, you hold the string and throw the yo-yo down. It spins fast and then climbs back up the string when you pull it. You can do tricks with a yo-yo, like making it sleep at the bottom or swinging it around your fingers. It's a great toy for practicing hand-eye coordination and having fun. Kids love yo-yo because it's exciting and you can learn new tricks. A yard is a space outside your house where you can play and have fun. It's usually covered with grass and can have trees, flowers, or a garden. Some yards have swings, slides, or a sandbox where you can dig and build. You might also see a fence around the yard to keep pets and kids safe. A yard is a great place to run, play games, or just enjoy the fresh air. You can have picnics, play with your toys, or even plant flowers. Yards help make your home a special place to spend time outside. The yellowfin tuna is a big, shiny fish that lives in the ocean. It has a bright yellow color on its fins and tail, which is why it's called yellowfin. This fish is very fast and can swim long distances in the sea. Yellowfin tuna are known for their strong bodies and can grow very large. They have a smooth, blue-gray body and a special fin on their back that helps them steer while swimming. People enjoy eating yellowfin tuna in sushi and other dishes. It's an exciting fish that plays an important role in the ocean.